We're in the woods where I found that silver-plated spoon last year, and been going through. I'm getting multiple hits, and I'm finding somebody's been target practicing here. Let me show you. It sounded like it was maybe a necklace or something, but turned out it was some shells right on the surface right here. There's one, there's two, and I found another one before these two, about 6 inches away. That's all I got so far. I just dug this up over here. It looks like it could be a small caliber musket ball. It's been fired. We'll have to wash it up and check it out at the house, but that's my second find right there. We'll take it.